How to use gift cards or store credit. Want to use a gift card or store credit on a new Zenni order? Here's how to do it. Once you've chosen your glasses and selected your lenses, click Complete Your Glasses to add them to your shopping cart. Review your order, then click Checkout. On the checkout page, enter or verify your shipping information, followed by Payment Details, where you can click on Redeem a Gift Card or Store Credit tab and either enter your gift card code or apply your store credit. If you have a remaining gift card or store credit balance after you paid for this purchase, you can use the balance on a subsequent order. If your gift card or store credit balance isn't enough to pay for this order, you can make up the difference with your credit or debit card, PayPal account, or Amazon Pay account. Using gift cards or store credit is that easy.